everyone, and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Summer, and today we're going to explore a very serious and complex topic, giving up parental rights in Texas. Whether it's voluntary or involuntary, terminating parental rights is a significant legal action with lasting consequences. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more insights into family law matters. This can include rights to custody, visitation, and decision-making regarding the child's welfare. Terminating parental rights can occur in two ways, voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary termination typically happens when a parent believes it's in the child's best interest, often in cases involving adoption. Involuntary termination, on the other hand, occurs when the court determines that a parent is unfit due to reasons like abuse, neglect, abandonment, or failure to support the child. Let's consider a real-life scenario to illustrate this process. Imagine a father, John, who is struggling with substance abuse issues. Despite several attempts at rehabilitation, he finds himself unable to provide a stable environment for his young daughter, Emily. Emily's mother, Sarah, has since remarried, and her new husband, Mark, wishes to adopt Emily to provide her with a stable and supportive family structure. John, realizing his ongoing struggles and wanting what's best for Emily, decides to voluntarily give up his parental rights so that Mark can adopt her. This decision, while heartbreaking, is made out of love and concern for Emily's future. Involuntary termination is more complex and often contested. This can occur when another party, such as the other parent or Child Protective Services, files a petition to terminate parental rights. Grounds for involuntary termination in Texas include abandonment, endangerment of the child, abuse or neglect, failure to support the child financially, long-term mental illness, or deficiency. Parental rights to another child have been terminated. The process involves filing a petition. A petition for involuntary termination is filed in the court, outlining the reasons why the parent's rights should be terminated. Notice: the parent must be notified of the petition and given the opportunity to respond and present their case. Court hearing. A hearing is held where evidence is presented. The court will carefully consider all evidence to determine if termination is justified and in the best interest of the child. Clear and convincing evidence. The court requires clear and convincing evidence to terminate parental rights involuntarily, which is a higher standard than the usual preponderance of evidence. Termination order. If the court finds sufficient grounds for termination, it will issue an order terminating the parental rights. Several important legal considerations come into play when dealing with termination of parental rights, such as repercussions. Termination of parental rights is permanent and cannot be reversed. Once rights are terminated, the parent no longer has any legal relationship with the child. The child's best interest. The court's paramount concern is always the child's best interest, which overrides all other considerations. Legal representation. It is crucial for any parent facing the possibility of termination, whether voluntary or involuntary, to seek legal representation. An experienced family law attorney can provide guidance and advocate on their behalf. Alternatives. Before deciding on termination, consider other alternatives like guardianship or temporary custody arrangement, which do not sever the legal parent-child relationship. In conclusion, giving up parental rights in Texas is a serious and permanent decision with far-reaching consequences. Whether voluntary or involuntary, it requires careful consideration and a clear understanding of the legal process. If you find yourself facing this difficult situation, seeking professional legal advice is essential to ensure the best possible outcome for you and your child. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Texas family law. Stay informed, stay protected, and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.